Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on MxLinux 23.6. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with MxLinux, that is Firefox. See here, click on it. If you are unable to find, then go to search application menu and search for Firefox. See here we have, click on it. Now go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the versions from 8.0.4 to 9.3. Okay, if you are unable to find this version, you can click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system. See here we don't have the MxLinux. Okay, open terminal. more/etc os-release. See, its ID is like Debian and its version or code name is 12. Okay, so quit, control. So select the operating system as Debian Linux. Then once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. Okay, instead of downloading each package, just download this Debian Linux dub bundle. Okay, so click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment. See, download started and its size is 474 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract this star file and we will install the MySQL 8.0.42 server on MxLinux 23.6. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads directory, ls. See, we have the tar file. We have to extract this one, tar-xf. Give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter, ls. See, we have to install these packages. Before installing, we have to run the following dependencies: sudo apt install -ipadec. I will keep this command in the video description. utf-8 libaio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed ls. Now install this Debian packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. Now we have to set the password for root account. Remember this password, then click on next, confirm the same, then click on next. Now we have to select the default authentication plugin. See here we have the two: use strong password encryption and legacy authentication method. First one is the recommended one. Okay, so select whatever the option that you want, then click on next. See, these components failed to install, but we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, so now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. It is MySQL. See, MySQL Server is started 3 seconds ago. Quit, Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.42. You can also find the version by using select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server 8.0.42 on MxLinux. Control A. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create. See, we have created database. Let us verify. See, we have created database bank. Now switch through this database and create a table. To switch through database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, you know. See, we don't have tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. First verify list of users, show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. See, it is typo. See, we have successfully created. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the MySQL current session, which is connected by using root account. Now connect MySQL server with this new user, MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password of this David user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the new user. Let us verify. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on MxLinux 23.6. Okay. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 9 seconds ago. Due to quit. Also verify MySQL-u David-p. Provide the password of the root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Now we will see how to restart. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. Ctrl ls. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. You can also connect MySQL server by using the dbur or MySQL workbench. Those are the most popular tools. So delete all these files. rm start.deb. It will delete all these Debian packages. ls. Also remove this one. rm. Give MySQL. Give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install MySQL Server 8.0.42 on MxLinux 23.6. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.